First violins, here's tutorial 2 of 2 for the paper that I handed out with Drifen. And now I'm starting at measure 129 on the second page of that handout. And they want you to... You're going to shift a little bit between third and fourth position, back and forth. And again, all of these techniques, just practice them, you can get them. And if you find a different route, that's okay too. But at 129, you're going to be in third position, which is replacing third finger on the E string with first finger, so it sounds like an A. And 130, it's 1, reach over for 4, and now just slightly go up so you can play the E, fourth finger in fourth position. And then 2, 3. And instead of playing 1 here, play 2. And now you're back in third position again. And then shift up to 2 in fourth position on the E. And go back to first finger in third position. Now here's a giant shift. You're going to shift to 1, and then 1 again. And then all the way up to this note here, fourth finger, 2, and then 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, shift to 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, and then 2 on B, and then you can shift back here, and you're home free at 138. Okay, so let me play that in succession for you. Again, it's a little tricky, but you can do it. 129. First finger. 1, 2, 129. One, one. I'll play the rest. Oh, sorry. And you know the rest from there. I jumped ahead, played a slightly wrong rhythm at the first time I hit 142, and I fixed it. That rhythm is... Okay, good. There you go. Work on it. I know you can do it. And I know I'm asking a lot. It's a stretch. But you can do it. You can do it. Spend time outside of class on this. Awesome. Go for it. Cool. Thanks. Bye.